Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to install a new mileage blocker for the Mercedes GLB AMG. Start by opening the glove compartment and removing the 3 screws inside. Open the side panel and remove the screw inside it. Unscrew and remove the bottom panel. Finally, remove the last screw and carefully pull out the glove compartment. Here's the device we'll be installing. It consists of plugs, a switch, and a control box. Locate the green plug and disconnect it. Then pull out the plate and disconnect the cable. Next, plug in the device. Connect the cable. This is our new plug that is designed so you can't connect it the wrong way. Put the plate back in place. And connect the green plug to it. The switch can be hidden in some place. Reassemble all the parts you removed. To change modes, use the smartphone app or press and hold the home return button for 10 seconds. Repeat this process to switch between modes. In mode 1, from 10 to 20% of the actual mileage is counted. In mode 2, the mileage is topped and not counted. In mode 3, 100% of the actual mileage is counted. In this mode, the module is deactivated and everything works as usual. You can also manage the device through the app. Connect it via Bluetooth, give it a name, and you'll be able to change modes easily. One more thing, in the Trip tab of the app, make sure to enter your original mileage. Some assistance systems like lane assistant may not function properly when the device is active, but cruise control and distance control will work as usual. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.